I just can't let you go.
Do we love? Not a fan.
I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
Welcome to a clothing haul, and by that I mean a Wantable haul. Never tried this before, I don't think. Maybe I have. Honestly, I don't remember. If I have, it's been many, many, many years ago, but I'm almost positive I had not. I got a Facebook, it was Facebook or Instagram, an ad that said they were doing their fall preview style boxes, and I was like, you know what, I got paid. I need new clothes because nothing fits me. Let's do, oh, I was honestly gonna do a Stitch Fix, but I saw that. I'm like, let's just try it. Let's just try this. $20 styling fee, and that gets refunded to you if you buy something. So I like the same as Stitch Fix. I have the box. What I put in the notes are, give me some fun things because I work in an elementary school. They sent me the preview. Normally, well, I shouldn't say, normally I do go through the preview, but I was gonna just like say I just send it. I went through the preview and I hated all of it. I was like, none of this is fun. This is all so boring. No one listened to anything I wanted. You know what I mean? Like, I think they just automatically, I don't even know if there's stylists. So if I have a stylist, they did a terrible job. So I'm hoping it's not bad, but we'll find out. Here's the box. I put everything that I wanted to be pretty much at the cheapest that they had, which is like $50 an item. And the fun part of these boxes is that obviously you don't have to keep it. You don't get charged till you decide what you're keeping. And so you get a lot of stuff at once and then you send it back. Oh, that's cute. It says styled for Brittany. How do they do that? With white. It must be, I don't know, some kind of printer for that, obviously. Cute. I already see something I like. Fall preview style edit. And oh my goodness, I just saw the total. I'm not keeping all this, that's for sure. Okay, first item. This is so soft. It's a flannel. I'm gonna try this stuff on, but let's just pull it out first. This is by Thread and Supply, and she is warm and cozy. Oh, this is cute. Look at this. It's just, I feel like that's perfect for school. Just a bunch of fun colors. So maybe she did listen. And then, oh, this was in the preview. I thought I had said no to it, but I don't think I did because I actually remember liking the color. Just kind of like a slouchy off the shoulder sweater. Very soft. This just doesn't feel good. This just feels cheap, and I have a feeling it's not cheap. It's just a basic brown cardigan. Automatically a no. Purple. Not liking you. Also, it looks like little. Like, it looks little and long. And then a pair of pants that are like cargo-esque, but I could wear them to work. We'll try them. Not something I would ever pick up. And lastly, oh, these are actually kind of fun. They look like they're gonna be small though. I think I might like these. Okay, let's try everything on now. Okay, I still have yet to get a new tripod. Okay, this is outfit 1. It doesn't look good together. I just didn't have an outfit for it. I like the off the shoulder. I just don't know how that would work for what I need, you know? Like, I can't wear this, I guess I could if I wore, like, what bra would you wear with this? Like, you know? I guess you could wear it like this too. It just kind of naturally falls though. It's very, very soft. Let me show you the pants. I hate, why can't I get my ankle? Okay, the pants are very comfy, very stretchy. I love how they have pockets. Like, I could put, I don't know, like when I'm out in the hallways, put my phone in here. Also, what is this angle? I guess here. Okay, so what do we think? Do we like this? I don't know. I feel like I like the sweater. I just don't think it's practical for I guess I'll have to see the price, right? I'll have to see. Let me look at the price. Okay, $78 for the pants. I feel like that's appropriate. And then $69 for the sweatshirt. $69 for the sweatshirt. Guys, Nope. Okay, moving on. Let's try something else. Purple sweatshirt. Hate it. Not a fan. Not a fan. Just not. I feel like a middle-aged woman. It's also like tight in the arms. How much are you? $69. That's a no. Okay, the brown sweater is a no. Let's take her off. Oh wait, how much is she? $59. But the pants, I don't know. I don't have a mirror to like see what they look like, but they're so comfy. They are so comfy and they fit and they're so stretchy. So like, I don't know if they look good, they look bad. I don't know. I'll have to look in the mirror, but I want to say I like them. Let me put a sweater on. Do we love? I don't know if these look good with this actually. This is so cozy. This is so cozy warm. I'm afraid of the price. Let's look. Oh my gosh, I need this. I need the pants too. The pants are $84. What? And the sweater, $77. You're breaking my heart. Okay, hold on. One last thing to put on. Why does this match it perfectly? I love this. So cute. My gosh. Not with this tank top. Oh, wow. This is hard because this sweater is how much? How much? Where did my paper go? $74. Great. Great. Some really tough decisions. Please leave in the comments what was your favorite outfit piece. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. This was fun. Okay, Wantable, I see you. Yeah, cool. We'll be doing this again, and thank you for watching. Leave me any other like clothing subscriptions. You know, I've tried Stitch Fix. This is obviously, I've tried Wantable. I've done like so many in the past. I love Trunk Club, but it's not a thing anymore. So if you have any other suggestions, feel free to leave them below because we need to rehaul a wardrobe, unfortunately. So, I love you so much. I will see you later. Bye.